Jammu Smart City Limited has partnered with Tata Motors to launch 100 e-buses in the city of Jammu. Since its launch in the year 2024, it has been a remarkable initiative that has transformed the urban transportation sector in Jammu city. Over 20,000 people travel in these e-buses on a daily basis. Equipped with the latest technologies, air conditioning system, all the excellent amenities for passengers, these e-buses have become the preferred mode for all commuters throughout the city. So much so that now we face demands for more such e-buses in the city. I would like to compliment Tata Motors for this excellent product that has delivered public transportation improvement in the Jammu city, decongested our roads, and has ensured that a climate sustainable public transportation is established in the city of Jammu. Thank you.